Salams and welcome. Thank you for joining me in day number 2 of the magnificent and inspiring words of Ja'la'lud'din Rumi, Rah'ma'tul'laa A'layy, the magnificent Rumi, and his thought-provoking, inspirational words that have taken the world by storm. And this is from the book 365 Days with Ja'la'lud'din Rumi. And Ja'la'lud'din Rumi has to say, listen to silence. It has much to say, so powerful. That means silence is talking to you. And the only way you can understand what silence is telling you is for you to zip your lip. Islam teaches the adherents to guard their tongue because we know that silence is golden. And this is where we are restoring Islam back into the words of Ja'la'lud'din Rumi, Rah'ma'tul'laa A'layy. The most annoying noise is the loud braying of the donkey. And this is the wisdom that Luqman alayhi salam, the Prophet, taught his own son. Listening to silence means not only the silence around you, but also to calm the noise in your own brain. For we read in the Holy Quran in Surah Luqman, Prophet Luqman the Wise, chapter 31, verse number 19. And be moderate in your pace and lower your voice. For the harshest of sounds, without doubt, is the braying of the ass or the donkey. Right? And we know that empty barrels make the loudest noises. And we know there are certain politicians who speak so loud, and the only words that are coming out of the mouth is that of a donkey. Yet there are people who love to listen to a donkey and love to listen to them. But remember, if you want to be an honorable person and if you want to be an outstanding leader, lower your voice and learn to embrace silence and listen to that silence, whether it is the silence in your own room or if you're sitting out on a mountain or you're walking through a jungle and looking at all the beautiful aspects of nature. Remember that silence has got a lot to teach us. And this is how we are returning Islam back to the words of Ja'la'lud'din Rumi, Rah'ma'tul'laa A'layy. Join me in the next episode as we continue with day number 3 of Ja'la'lud'din Rumi, Rah'ma'tul'laa A'layy. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.